Introducing the 2017 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.